Good morning, dear students. Today we will start with our sixth chapter from English grammar, that is nouns, number. See, nouns can be singular or plural. Singular भी हो सकते हैं, plural भी हो सकते हैं. Singular means किसी एक के बारे में, किसी एक thing के बारे में या एक particular person के बारे में या place के बारे में. और plural मतलब more than one. See the definition. When we talk about one thing, किसी एक चीज के बारे में हम बात करते हैं, it is said to be singular number. When we talk about one thing, it is said to be a singular number. A cat means one cat. A pen means one pen. A book. Now see, when we talk about more than one, it is said to be plural number. When we talk about more than one thing, then it will be plural. See, two cats will be plural number. 5 pens, many books. This is the definition of singular number and plural number. Now we will see the formation of plurals. Means singular को plural में कैसे change किया जाता है, उसका हम formation देखेंगे. First one is most nouns change from singular to plural by adding s. बहुत सारे जो nouns होते हैं उनमें जो है हमें सिर्फ s add करना होता है to make it plural. See the examples. Bag. It is bag, bag. It will be bags, bags. To make this word plural, we will add only this s. Now doll. Doll will become dolls. Only we will add s to make it plural. Rat, rats. So in this nouns, we will add only s to make it plural. Second one is we add es to the nouns ending in s. The nouns which will end by s, double s, sh, ch, o and x. जो भी words s, double s, sh, ch, o और x से एंड होते हैं, फिनिश होते हैं जो वर्ड्स, उनमें हम es ऐड करेंगे टू मेक इट प्लूरल. सी दिस एग्जांपल्स. बस. हियर इट इज s, सो वी विल ऐड es टू मेक इट प्लूरल. बस, buses. Fox. Here it is x, so we will add es to make it plural. Now brush. Here it is sh, so we will add es to make it plural. Brush, brushes. Loss. Here it is double s, so we will add es after the noun to make it plural. Now bench. Here it is ch, so we will add es after the noun to make it plural. Bench, benches. Potato. Here it is o, so we will add es to make it plural. Potato, potatoes. These are the two kinds of the nouns which we will make plurals by adding s and es. Now see here the third rule. In this, if a singular noun ends with y and has a consonant before it, means a word which will end with y, but before y the word before y is consonant. You know the consonant words? If the word before y is consonant, we will change y to ies to form the plural. जो y वर्ड है उससे पहले अगर कॉन्सोनेंट वाला वर्ड है तो हम y को हटा के उसकी जगह पे ies लगाएंगे टू मेक इट प्लूरल. सी द एग्जांपल्स. बेबी. हियर बिफोर y the word is b. b is a consonant word, so we will remove this y and add ies to make it plural. In lady, the word before y is d. It is a consonant, so we will remove this y and we will add ies to make this word plural. Now here fly, the word before y is l. It is a consonant, so we will remove this y and write there ies to make this word plural. So the singular noun ends with y and has a consonant before it. We will change y to ies to form the plural. Now see the next one. If a singular noun ends with y, see y is same but and has a vowel before it, we will add s to make it plural. When a word ends with y but the word before y is a vowel. Vowel means a, e, i, o, u. If the word before the y is vowel, then we will remove y and we will add s to make it plural. See e. In this, the word before y is e. That is a vowel. So we will write s to make it plural. We will add s at the end to make this word plural. Here toy, we will make it toys, s. We will add s to make this word plural. Day, days. Okay. Now see, the next one is if a noun ends in f or fe, we add ves in place of f or fe to make it plural. In some words like the words which finish with f or fe, we will replace f and fe with ves to make it plural. See examples. Calf. Calf. Here it is f. So we will remove this f and we will add ves to make it plural. In knife, we will remove this fe and we will add ves to make it plural. Life, lives. Okay. Now see this point. Some nouns ending in f or fe, same, form their plurals by simply adding s. In some nouns, we will not replace f with ves. We will simply add s to make it plural. See roof, roofs. Chief, chiefs. Giraffe, giraffes. In some nouns, you will not replace f or fe with ves but only add s to make it plural. Now see, some words ending in o add only s. In some nouns, we will add only s to make it plural. The words which end with o. See, piano, pianos. Photo, photos. Video, videos. In these words, we will add only s to make it plural. Now in irregular countable nouns, do not form their plural in usual way. The irregular countable nouns, they will form their plural ways in plurals in another ways. Like see the examples. For fish, it will be fish only. To make this word plural, we will not add a single word. Fish will be fish. Child. Now for one kid we said child, but we will make it plural by saying it children. Children. Many children. Food will be feet. Okay. See now, compound nouns form their plural in following ways. Compound nouns will also make their plurals in another ways. Washer, man. See here, man, M-A-N. It will be washer, man, M-E-N. Okay. Father-in-law. So we have to add father's S in law to make it plural. Students, you have many examples in your textbook, English Grammar's textbook. You can see, go through these examples and you will come to know how we will change the singular to plural. You don't have to write anything from these examples. You just have to do this exercise in your English Grammar's textbook. No need to do anything in your notebook. You just have to do this exercise in your textbook. Okay? I hope you have understood this chapter. This chapter is very easy. Go through the examples and you will find it much easier. Okay? Thank you.